Hello and welcome again to my YouTube channel Math Plus. So let us discuss some important questions for class time. So I have written some questions here, question 1, 2 and 3. So let us solve the first question here and see it is given in a sequence and you see dot 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 matlab many numbers are there, but we cannot write that because it may not be written in that much space. So let us find the product. So it is what? 1 minus 1 by 3, 1 minus 1 by 4, then 1 minus 1 by 5, then dot dot 1 minus 1 by 100. So is equal to how much? If you solve this, taking the LCM as what? 3 minus 1 by 3, then it is 4 minus 1 by 4, then it is 5 minus 1 by 5, then it is 100 minus 1 by 100, isn't it? So is equal to how much? It is 2 by 3 into 3 by 4 into 4 by 5 into what? 99 by 100. So in a sequence, if you see 2 by 3, then into 3 by 4, and then into 4 by 5, that means we can cancel this 3 and 3, this 4 and 4. Like that, the last term also 99 can be cancelled. That means we are remaining with what? 2 into 1 by 100. And if it is simplified, we can get what? 1 and here it is 50. The answer is how much? 1 by 50. So I hope this answer is understood, how it is solved very easily without knowing the numbers in between. So this is a trick you have to follow and this is the sequence you have to see how easily you can solve the question. Okay, let us go to the next question, question 2, and let us see which identity can be used to solve that question. The question 2 is what? It is given square root of what? 0.798 ka whole square plus 0.404 then 0 into 0.798 then plus it is 0.202 ka whole square. So it is, if you consider this as A and this as A also, this as B, so we will be getting a pattern or we will be relating to some identity. Let us see in the next step. So it is 0.798 ka whole square. Then here I will split it as 2 into 0.202 into 0.798 plus it is how much? 0.202 ka whole square. So now you see it is in which form? A ka square plus 2 into A into B plus B ka square. That means it relates to which identity? Your A plus B whole square identity, isn't it? So let us solve that. So it will be what? 0.798 plus 0.202 ka whole square, isn't it? Because it is what? A square plus 2AB plus B square. So it can be related to what? A plus B ka whole square. Then if this is added, what you are getting? Let us see. 0.798 plus 0.202. Add those 10, then 9, 1, 10, again here 10, again it is 1. So it is 1 ka whole square, then square root. Then obviously 1 ka square, 1. The square root of 1 is what? Again 1. So again you see the answer becomes what? 1. Again you see the question 2 is looking too complicated, but answer is what? 1. But using a special identity, A plus B whole square identity, so I could solve this. So you can easily also solve this type of questions or as many as questions related to these questions using specific identity. Not only A plus B whole square, but also some other questions may be related to A minus B whole square, A plus B into A minus B, like that, X plus A into X plus B. So these identities can also be used to solve some questions. So let us now again solve the last question, question 3. Let us see how it can be easily solved and what steps we have to consider. This is a typical question, or we can say a unique question here. We have to find out the value of what? Y cube minus 1 by y to the power 3. Okay. But condition is given if y square minus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. So we have to use this. So now let us go for the third question, that is find the value of y cube minus 1 by y to the power 3 if y square minus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. So here one special identity will be used, this one. A minus b ka whole cube, a cube is equal to what? A cube minus b cube minus 3ab whole into a minus b. So let us do that, solve that. So given is what? Y square minus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. So now let us relate to this. So for relating to this, I have to divide y on both sides, LHS and RHS. So it is how much? The y square by y, then minus 3y by y minus 1 by y is equal to 0. This implies it is y minus y cancelled minus 3, then minus 1 by y is equal to 0. Then I got what? Y minus 1 by y is equal to what? 3. At least I got the relation. This is directly related to this. How can I find out that? So let us find the cube of both LHS and RHS of this equation. So y minus 1 by y is equal to 3 we have. So let us find the cube. Y minus 1 by y ka whole cube is equal to 3 ka whole cube. Then if you use this identity a minus b ka whole cube, then it will be what? Y to the power 3 minus 1 by y to the power 3 minus 3 into y into 1 by y whole into y minus 1 by y is equal to what? 27. So you see here 3 y to the power 3, 1 by y to the power 3, then minus y cancel, then 3 into what? Y minus 1 by 3 is this 3 is equal to 27. Then it is y to the power 3 minus 1 by y to the power 3 minus 9 is equal to 27. And lastly answer is what? Y to the power 3 minus 1 by y to the power 3 is equal to what? 27 plus 9, which is equal to 36 is your answer. I hope this answer is understood by you all, and this is I think an important question for you all, because the way I got the relation between this y square minus 3y minus 1 and y cube minus 1 by y cube. Hope you liked all the 3 questions and you got to know how to use the identities and somewhere use the tricks to get the answers. So hope you liked my video, liked today's class. Have a nice day all of you. Thank you.